Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Pisces placements. This is your short love reading para sa buwan ng April. Focusing sa iyong person on your mind. Okay? So, yeah. Again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, again, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. And sa ating mga items, kung meron din kayong mga tanong. Okay? So, meron tayong evil eye protection, meron tayong love bracelet, granter necklace, and cord cutting. Okay? So, again, message na lang po, no? Sa akin pong FB page for more info. And again, yeah, yung ating pong dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Yes, paki-follow. Thank you. Yeah. So, let's start the reading, Pisces. Who is the person on your mind? Pisces. Who is the person on your mind? Who is this? The Eight of Pentacles universe. Some of them, wala silang work. That's specific. Hindi yun para sa lahat. Wala silang work. May pagkatamad. Di iba sa kanila. Okay, what's with that Eight of Pentacles universe? Five of Pentacles. Inayawan mo na to, I think. Pwedeng earth sign. Some of them, they have secrets. Takot sila na may mabunyag whatsoever. Pwedeng meron kang hiningi dito na hindi niya binigay, Pisces. Okay? Okay naman kayo Ba't anyari? Merong hindi nag-workout dito. Meron kang hiningi sa kanya pero hindi niya kayang ibigay. I don't know why. So, anong meron sa sitwasyon? Anong kailangan mong malaman sa situation? The Page of Pentacles universe. Meron bang nangyaring false start or failed start? The Page of Wands universe. Why? Yeah, the Nine of Swords. Meron ditong hindi na kayang magtiwala. I think. Somebody is not ready. Somebody is afraid na magkaroon muli ng panibagong panimula, I think. And dito yung energy ng hindi healed. The Three of Cups. Hindi ko alam kung may nangyaring pagbabalikan nung mga nakaraan, pero meron ditong energy na parang hindi nag-workout. So, Three of Pentacles, I don't know. Pwedeng may mga friends na. Ikaw, siya. Parang ganyan. Okay? Somebody's thinking of this. Like, paulit-ulit na. Parang ganyan. So, ano bang emotion niya for you, Pisces? What is their emotion? Yeah, the Ace of Swords universe. Oh, nakakuha ko dito ng parang konsensya. May nakukonsensya dito, Pisces. Yeah, may nakukonsensya dito. The Knight of Cups. The King of Cups universe. Meron ditong pagtatago, lies, secrets. Pwede may nagtatago ng ibang connection or ibang person. Who is this Knight of Cups? The Six of Cups in reverse. Some of you, Pisces, kung ikaw itong naging mabait sa kanya, parang nakukonsensya siya sa ngayon. Kung ano man ang ginawa niya, nakukonsensya siya sa'yo. Nakukonsensya siya sa kung ano man. Okay? Naalala niya lahat ng ginawa niya, ginawa mo for them. Okay? Yeah, the King of Pentacles. Nako, consent siya. Kung hindi kayo mag-usap nito ngayon, okay, alam nila na andun yung energy na parang nabibitter siya ngayon. Mayroong nag-iiyak, mayroong nagre-regret. Let's see what is their next action towards you, Pisces. What is their next action? The Queen of Swords in reverse. Why? That's being afraid. The Lovers in reverse. Takot ito mag-reach out. Takot siya mag-approach, if ever. They're waiting. Okay? They're just waiting. Kung hindi kayo ngayon, may chance na may something itong parang hindi mo alam na ginagawa na niya. Okay? The Queen of Swords in reverse, that's sabihin nating energy ng hindi trustworthy. Yeah, the Five of Cups. There's regrets. Pero parang pinagpapatuloy lang din naman kasi parang wala naman na eh. So, pagpapatuloy ko na lang to. Okay? Yeah. I don't know if there's somebody else in the mix or somebody, like a new person involved. Something like that. Meron din dito natatakot na totally mag-end na rin yung connection ninyo. May natatakot. Pwedeng natatakot itong taong to na totally mag-end na talaga. Like, this is it, pansit. Parang ganon. Ito na yon, parang ganyan. Meron silang ganong thinking. So, let's see what's the potential outcome ngayong April para sa inyo. Okay. The Seven of Swords in reverse. So, may mga mabubunyag. Seven of Swords in reverse. May mga mabubunyag na sekreto. And the King of Swords, yeah. May mga mabubunyag. The Page of Swords in reverse, kakastok or whatsoever, kung paano ba. Okay? So, sinasabi dito, may chance na may mga malalaman, may mga mabubunyag, parang ganyan. Okay? So, wala akong makuhang gabay dito or advice. Sinasabi lang dito na wag na lang muna masyadong pagbigyang pansin. Okay? The Nine of Cups is here in reverse. You have to heal. Okay? Healing, number 1. Yeah, the Three of Swords. This is healing energy. You have to heal. So, balik ka muli sa sarili mo. Balik ka muli. The King of Cups, this is your energy, Pisces. Okay? Alisin mo muna yung thinking about pakikipag-reconcile sa taong to. Okay? Marami kang marirealize everything. Kung ano man, ngayong kayo ay magkahiwalay. Okay? I don't know, pwedeng humiwalay ka nga dito sa taong to. Kasi pwedeng meron kang kinuha or meron kang hinihingi pero hindi niya binigay. I don't know what's that. Okay? Anyway. So, yun lamang. Marami kang marirealize. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng same gender, I think. Same gender. So, madali lang na reading. Oo. Checking lang. Oo. So, let's see Aries through Pisces. For you, Pisces placements. The energy you're dealing with or dealt with. Let's see. Aries, you're their best option. Taurus. Nako, kay Taurus na biniblame ka niya, I don't know why. They're blaming you, pero they're sad. Andyan yung parang natapakan mo yung ego nito, nadali mo, nasagi mo yung ego or pride niya, hindi niya matanggap kung ano man, pero ikaw pa rin ang gusto. Gemini, they see long-term connection with you. They want to build an empire, a family with you. Okay? Cancer, a missed opportunity. They felt a missed opportunity with you. Ay, pasensya na, ako'y pagod na. Leo, they're interested. Yeah, they're interested. Virgo, they're moving on. Some of them parang nawawala na ng pag-asa. Kaya, okay, mag-move on na lang ako. Parang ganyan. Libra. Oops. They felt a strong connection with you. Yeah, this Libra. Scorpio, they're dropping you. Okay? Or maybe feeling nila dinrap mo na sila. Sagittarius, they want a connection. They want a relationship with you. Capricorn, they're open. Some of them, they're sad. They're sad. They're longing for you. Aquarius, they want to manipulate you. There's this manipulation energy coming from this aqua, or maybe ikaw papunta sa kanya. Okay? Pisces, so communication, or maybe this is an energy of moving forward. Okay? Releasing the burden. Parang ganyan. Okay? Yeah, the Three of Wands. I don't know kung ikaw itong naghihintay sa Pisces na to, or sila yung naghihintay sa'yo. So, kailangan muna na parang okay, hindi na muna maghintay at umusad. Parang ganyan. So there, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you. Pisces placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Meron akong angel number for you, 1111. Sa mga nagstay hanggang dulo. Diba? So, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you. Once again, thank you. Goodbye.